In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a paper jam in your Canon Pixma MG2500 series printer. Now the first thing is to switch on the printer and open the ink cartridge chamber. So push the paper output tray in completely inside and open this ink cartridge chamber door, and you can see the ink cartridge is moved. So if there is a paper jam, the paper will be stuck there, so you just have to remove it from here, and once you remove it, just close the ink chamber door. And also check here, like if the pages are stuck. If there are, you can take them out, place the page back and click on the stop button, and we are ready to use the printer again. So this way we can fix the paper jam. Thanks for watching.